Okay, I want to start with a very specific nightmare. You're building a presentation or a landing page or an ad, and you think, okay, I'm just going to add a few icons here and there to make this a little bit better. 10 minutes later, you've got one icon from one site, another from somewhere else. One is filled, one is outlined, one looks like it came from a banking app in 2012. And suddenly, your clean design looks like a mess. And the worst part, you know it looks off, but fixing it means hunting down more icons or starting over. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I build a full, consistent icon set using Venngage, starting with one icon and then modifying it to a whole system without breaking the style. Think one icon, copy, tweak, repeat, and suddenly everything looks intentional. Let's start from the beginning. I'm on Vengage's AI icon generator. The key here is to start with one really clear base icon. So for the prompt, I'm just placing marketing calendar icon in a modern SaaS design. The primary color should be green on a white background. This prompt is doing a lot for us. It defines the style, the simplicity, and the brand feel. I'll click generate and I'll be taken straight into the editor. Inside the editor, Venngage gives me a few icon options. I'm going to pick the one that feels clean and balanced because this is going to become the foundation for our entire icon set. So I like this one the most. I think it's nice and clean. I like the colors and the style. And I want you to think of this as your source of truth icon because, like I mentioned, this is going to be the foundation for the rest of them. Now, the next step is small but extremely important. Before modifying anything, I'm going to click the icon, click copy, and paste this copy right below. This ensures that the stroke weight, the proportions, and overall visual style stay exactly the same for all of our icons. Every new icon we create will come from this copy, not from scratch. Now we get to the most important part of the workflow. I'll click this duplicated icon and then click modify. This tells Venngage, keep the style, just change the meaning. Starting with our marketing calendar, I'll type, turn this into an email campaign icon. So the AI designer is going to open and it's going to define image characteristics, analyze our previous icon, and begin creating a new icon for us based on our first style. Okay, so we got our result back. You can see we have the original, and then now we have our modified one. Notice how the icon updates, but the visual style stays consistent. So now what I'm gonna do is make another copy and paste this right below. And I'm going to click modify once again, and I'll say, turn this into a landing page icon. I'll send that, and it'll begin setting my layout, the styles, all of the different visual elements, and begin creating my new icon for me. Okay, we got our icon back. As you can see, it's the same stroke, it has the same shape language, and it has the same brand feel. Let's do one more in this sequence, so I'll copy this and paste it here. And what I'm gonna ask it to do now is to turn this into a social media ad icon. I'll send that back in the editor, and let's see what we get back. Okay, so we got our social media ad icon back. At this point, we already have a mini campaign icon set that perfectly match and are all consistent in styling. From here, you can keep going to build out a full system. For example, I might create a speech bubble for engagement, a heart for likes, a community icon, a graph for performance, a target or funnel for growth, and every time the rule is the same. Copy the icon, click modify, and describe the transformation. Quick warning here because this is where people mess up, including myself. If you generate each icon from scratch as a brand new prompt, you will end up with mismatched styles. Always use copy, paste, modify if you want a clean, professional icon set. So at this point, we've created a full mini icon system, all from this original icon. These are now ready to use in slide decks, landing pages, ads, social posts, product UI, and everything looks intentional and on brand. You can lay these out into a simple icon sheet, you can export them, and drop them straight into your workflow. So what I could do is move these all here. I could title this page Genie Landing Page Icons. And what I could do is export this as a PNG, and I can send this to my designers so they can begin adding them to our site. I could also go to the Share tab here and invite my team members to this design within Venngage so that they can access this themselves if they need to make any changes or create more for future use. So instead of hunting for icons and hoping that they match, this lets you build a full brand icon set in just a few minutes. You can start with one base icon, you copy it, you modify it, and suddenly everything looks consistent. If you care about brand consistency and moving fast without things looking messy, this is a huge time saver. Try Vengage's AI icon generator using the link in the description below, and we also have an exclusive code for our viewers. If you use the code MakerThrive50, you can enjoy 50% off your annual plan for Venngage Premium or Business plans. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new one. See you in the next one.